In this video lesson, let us look at RPA types. There are primarily two types of RPAs: attended automation, unattended automation. Attended automation is where you configure bot to work together with humans. Unattended automation fully automate by teaching the robot how to do what to do. So let us look at a little more deeper into these two types. If you look at attended RPA, the task might start from a human by maybe pressing a key. Then the bot, which is RPA agent, can take over and do remaining tasks in the background, like maybe logging in, collecting the data from multiple systems, and then gives a report to employee. And the employee checks them, and then maybe he says everything is looking good, and then gives the task back to the bot to continue for next step. And then bot may finish everything and generate a final report and submit it and ends the task. So this is an example to see humans and machines are working together. But to take a scenario of humans and bots working together, let's say a sales manager starts a task saying employee hands over the task to the queue. And here the robot, RPA bot, collects data from different customer databases, CRMs, existing proposals, and duplicates. And then employee checks the generated results. And then who's creating an offer for a customer? If it is a normal case, sales manager have to look at all the previous quotations and then prepare a new quotation to the customer. But in this case, sales manager is asking bot to create an offer and then create an order if required to. And then if there are any exceptions, let's say bot is not able to finalize the task, there are any errors, then bot can notify the human employee. And if there are no exceptions, task is completed. So the, the workflow is involved by the employee and bot together to accomplish the process. What is the example for unattended bots? So in this case, where the example, let's say even if we see as a sales manager example, if a customer is asking for something, then sales manager doesn't have to click the task to execute. The bot might be looking at the emails inbox and looks at the email and understands who's sending email, what are they asking for, and then extracts the information and then generates the summary and maybe notifies the sales manager, or it can even input the records into the system. So here the bot got a little more independence here to from the start to the finish the task. These are unattended bots. To compare both attended and unattended, so if you look at attended, there is a bot sitting on each and every employee's desk. So employee can co-work with the bot doing some activities and employees doing activities. That is attended. Unattended, there is no bot sitting on the employee, but there can be a server in the data center or the cloud which has bots running in a high volume to take care of things. So employee doesn't see, it doesn't have to be involved in the flow, but employee, whoever it is, can be notified and can monitor how the unattended RPA bots are functioning. So here some of the details in the bottom is attended RPA, what do they do? Handles tasks for individual employees. In the case of unattended RPA, automates back office processes at scale. How? Employee triggers and direct a bot to carry out an activity in attended RPA. And employee triggers bots to automate tasks as needed at any time. And employees can choose that, okay, now I need to automate, and he can press the button. And this will help increase the productivity of an employee. In the case of unattended RPA, automates back offices, tasks at scale, provisioned based on the rule-based processes, and bots complete business processes without human intervention per predetermined schedule. You can schedule it every day morning, 6 o'clock, you want the bot to run, check the emails and update certain things, bot can do. It frees up employees from routine work and lowering cost and improving compliance and accelerating processes. So these are the two bots when you're implementing you in the company. We have to consider, okay, what is our strategy? Do we want to have a lot of unattended bots, or do we want to have attended bots? Maybe combination of that too is possible too, depending on the type of the works. So we will see some consideration factors about implementation in the next video.